a good idea. We gotta. This is so nice. I was so nervous. Oh my gosh.
You look gorgeous.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 5:30 in the morning, and we're leaving today to LA. The bags are packed, about to leave for the airport. And just like that, we are in LA. We just got into our hotel and we are pretty tired because we woke up at 5 in the morning and our flight was for 4 hours, and now we're hungry and sleepy. So we're probably going to go eat something and then have rest. But before we do that, let me show you the view from our hotel. This is so nice. So we'll put our diffuser somewhere here, I guess. That's a good idea. We got a aroma tech. So we're setting up the gifts. These are the gift bags, and everyone will get a face tape in the gift bag, face fitness journal, fascia, and a hair comb. So cute. Up today with a sore throat. Oh. And I was so nervous that I won't have my voice, but I think it was just stress. Now I'm good.
You look gorgeous.
We're matching.
Look at you. So nice to meet you.
How's everyone feeling?
Good.
Everyone is ready.
Thank you so much for coming. I honestly thought I'll be standing here by myself, but seeing all of you staring back at me feels amazing. Thank you so much for being here. I noticed that a lot of people in face fitness industry, they saw each other as competition. Your technique is right, or your technique is wrong, my technique is right. And I always told myself, why is this happening? Because when you look at dentistry or massage therapy industry, everyone treats each other as equal. They share techniques, they share their knowledge, and they uplift the field forward together. Remember I mentioned the lymph, how if it's accumulated from underneath, and we think that, well, this is great, I don't have wrinkles, I look youthful, right? But every morning when we wake up and we look more puffy, our skin stretches from inside out. As the day goes by, we move around, our skin goes back to original position without lymph being there. And when we have tension in our muscles or in our fascia, it's already inflamed. So you're adding more inflammation to your face. And now your body is freaking out because it's not sure what to fight now with the inflammation from microneedling or from the tension in your muscles. But acupressure and acupuncture is the opposite of that. It doesn't create inflammation, it actually helps.
Because, like you said earlier, people were, are you angry? I'm like, no, I'm fine. Yes. Just look angry, you know? Yeah. That's
You don't look angry.
That's because I'm a little nervous. But that's probably like my biggest concern. Yeah.
A lot of people have lack of blood flow to the temporalis muscle, so it's important to give it a lift so that the blood flow is able to run through. And you might feel it as well. You need to start slow with your face because otherwise you will have a lot of pain and you'll blood. So it's important to start slow, do slow movements, and use your breath so you don't forget to keep breathing as I'm moving here.
Yeah. Amazing.
Okay, we'll keep going till we got it. Yeah. So the right side is tighter. Thank you very much. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our feet about hip width apart. And we're going to take a nice inhale through our nose, exhale through our mouth, and we're going to relax our fascia. We're going to just kind of shake it off, shake. Release the tension, shake your arms, shake your legs, let your body remove all that excess tension, stress, anything that doesn't serve you. Now lift both of your arms up and shake it off, shake. Inhale. Here, notice the stretch on the side gently. And left person. Until you reach your hairline.
So excited because I get to drive two cars. I can move my neck. Look at this. So, no, you are amazing.
It's important to go to a good provider correctly. Alright guys, this is our goodbye I guess for now, but we'll see each other later.
Yes.
I'm about to go meet Olga and Parmita. We're going to have a brunch today after the conference to just chat, catch up, and enjoy some good food. So I'm gonna bring you with me.
How's your life?
You like to sit here, like here or here? Yeah.
Thank you.
We celebrated our conference, Olga. Enjoyed our time. I know you guys enjoyed it too.
Oh, we loved it.
It was a great experience.
Yes, it was not only a great experience for the audience, but even for us. And great job, Valeria and David. You guys did a fantastic job, and I loved being on this panel. All the ladies were fantastic. Olga,
Olga, your
beautiful.
turn.
Thank you guys. It was a blessing to be part of this amazing event. We hope to have many more in the next years to come.
Hello everyone from a sunny and the most beautiful Ojai. We stayed there for 2 nights. I didn't film much because we were just having rest after a busy conference and special projects. And now we're on the way somewhere where a lot of you recommended me to go and see, which is my happy place. It's the ocean side, and we're going to Santa Barbara. It only takes 40 minutes from Ojai to Santa Barbara. And I'll show you guys where we're driving. It just looks so beautiful. What can you say about Ojai?
Beautiful.
Any more comments?
Feels like in the movie.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this beautiful place. Also, the inside here is so nice as well. I love the fire. We just arrived, our room is not ready yet, so we're probably gonna go and lay at the pool or at the beach. And you all know how much I love the ocean, so we'll definitely go and have rest there. Wow, there is like a train wreck here. To get to the beach, you need to pass through here. Wow, look at this view. There is also randomly an eagle. Always a good sign when I see an eagle. Alright, let's go to the beach, guys. I was telling my husband how we haven't had a proper vacation for probably like a year, and this just satisfies all the requirements.